This is a 2013 Cadillac ATS. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a cold weather package, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, a low tire pressure indicator, safety alert seat, Cadillac user experience, direct injection, aluminum wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, rear power windows, leather seats, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, front and rear reading lights, a stability control system, an anti-lock braking system. And this vehicle has fewer than 7,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a backseat. To get your full assurance that this Cadillac meets expectations for mechanical conditioning and appearance, it has been put through a 117-point inspection and reconditioning process and comes with a 6-year, 70,000-mile limited fully transferable warranty with 0 deductible, plus 24-hour roadside assistance. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.